Shifting focus to Japan, wherein a sign that impact of global commodity inflation was gradually broadening. Japan's core consumer prices, they have risen 0.2% last month from last year to mark fastest annual pace in over a year. The increase was driven largely by higher energy costs, but it was much smaller than that of other major economies due to weak consumption. This reinforced expectations that the Bank of Japan will be forced to maintain its massive stimulus for the time being this time. The rise in core consumer price index CPI, including oil products but excluding volatile fresh food prices, matched a median market forecast for 0.2% gain and followed 0.1% increase in May. The increase was also due to a 4.6% rise in energy costs, with gasoline prices up 17.9%. It's a sign of that households are facing higher cost of living. Some countries, including the US and Britain, they have seen inflation rise faster than expected as demand recovers from COVID-19 pandemic. With inflation well short of its 2% target, the Bank of Japan is likely to lag well behind its counterparts in dialing back its massive monetary support to underpin a fragile recovery. With global commodity inflation pushed up wholesale prices in Japan, consumer prices have barely risen. Companies still remain cautious about passing on higher costs to households. Many analysts also project change to push core CPI back to negative zone due to an unexpected recovery in weighing off cell phone fees, which have been declining recently. A resurgence in COVID-19 infections, they have forced government to impose new state of emergency in curbs in Olympic host city Tokyo from yesterday through August 22nd, dashing policymakers' hope for a solid rebound in economic growth in July-September period. WION now available in your country. Download the app and get all the news on the move.